I am the holder of the Manufacturing Research Chair that is supported by the National Commission for Research, Technology and Innovation, that's NACOSTI, and also International Development Research Center, IDRC of Canada. Now, the research chair is on manufacturing, quality and productivity for the coconut value chain. We are therefore focused in areas that are growing coconuts, that is the Kwale County, Kilifi, and Mombasa County, and partly Lamu. JKUAT hosts this manufacturing research chair, but we are also collaborating with other institutions. We have organized this manufacturing research chair into 6 thematic areas based on the products and other aspects of the manufacturing. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the government of Kenya for the role they have played, and in particular would like to appreciate the National Commission for Science, Technology and Innovation, that's NACOSTI, for supporting this manufacturing research chair. Manufacturing is really key towards the development of any nation because there is a creation of valuable products. So the economy cannot really move without manufacturing. And we are sure that by supporting this manufacturing research chair, we shall contribute a lot towards the realization of the Vision 2030. I also want to appreciate the role the partners play, that is the Agricultural and Food Authority, AFA, NOCD, Nuts and Oil Crop Directorate, which is based in Mombasa. I also want to appreciate the work that other partners are playing, like Moi University, Multimedia University, where you have other researchers. Also, employers, the KEPSA. We also want to appreciate the Kenya National Innovation Agency, plus many others, including the SMEs that we are working very closely with in order to fast track the commercialization of the innovations that we are coming up with. I would urge that we continue supporting the manufacturing. Next to the agriculture, it is the one that will lead in towards the industrialization.